In this video, I will show you how to set up Zoom app on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store on your Android phone. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search right here. Then proceed to search apps and game. Then go ahead and simply type in Zoom and hit on search. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Zoom Workspace. Just like so. Then as at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus are using Zoom app right here. You can go ahead and check the interface by click any of the image right here. Zoom Workplace, one app that help you get more done. Stay focused on meeting, not on written notes. Better collaboration starts with Zoom team chats. Think bigger with interactive whiteboard collaboration and etc. Then go back right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and hit on install. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. So here we go. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on sign up right here. Go ahead and enter your date of birth. Just go ahead and enter your birth year. Click on continue right here. And the next thing you want to do here is to choose the options you want to use to log in. You can enter an email address, or better still, you have another options like Google, Map, Facebook, Microsoft account. Continue with SOSO. Everything depends on you. So in this tutorial, I want to go ahead and continue with my Google account. Go ahead and click on your Google account. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and hit on continue. At this point here, you need to enter your Zoom password. Go ahead and click on here and enter your password. Click on link and sign in.